Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video guys, as you can see, we're gonna be making beef with potatoes. So stay tuned guys so that you get to see how I will be making my beef stew and potatoes guys. Yeah, in case you're new here, kindly subscribe, watch and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos guys. I don't take it for granted. Also you can comment down below what you think about my food or any suggestion of what you think I should cook guys. So kama kawaida, we'll start by onion. We let it cook until it is golden brown. That's when you go in with the rest of the ingredients. So guys, I don't need to explain because I know you can watch and tell what how I will be cooking. Sorry. So watch the entire video guys, and thank you so much for this far. I don't take it for granted once again. So enjoy the video and we see you in the next one. Bye guys, and I love you so much. Mwah.